So here's the new Infrared Dr. heater that I received on Friday, the 9th of March 2018. It is now Monday, the 12th of March 2018. I've just pulled it out of the box and set it up, and here's what it sounds like. Now, I don't know if that's gear noise or something caught in a fan or what, but that is not what I expect for a device that's supposed to be whisper quiet. So I'm thinking it's defective. So Amazon will be getting an email shortly. Very disappointing considering this is supposed to be a fairly high-end product. I'm hoping that is not a noise it's supposed to be making.